And how was the experience, and what were the important things that you think are really important for somebody? One, applying to these 1 year programs. Second, with the higher work experience applying to these programs in terms of the application process.
So what I felt, probably you have been a guide throughout that process. But what I feel was that it's very important when you come with a certain sort of an experience that shows in you, and what the institutes also looking forward when they hire someone, when they give the admission process to someone who has come with the experience, to showcase what have you learned from those experiences, what are the learning experiences that you bring into the table, what are the value addition, what are the unique features that you bring into the table. Apart from, obviously, you are going through a GMAT exam, probably some adaptability or some academic to rigor to go into it, that has been built in. But apart from that, how has been your journey in the work profile? What's and how that those will impact, or that what additional value addition to the peer-to-peer learning that you would bring into the class is something that needs to be shown, and that needs to be highlighted in a very proper way, in a very proper and it needs to be synergetic with the story that you are bringing in.